Hey y'all, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dan from DM Website Design, and I try to make these tutorials to help other people uh, that problems I have run into personally. So, what I'm going to be showing you today, it will be short. Now, what I'm going to do is hopefully you have whatever hosting you have, you have. I have Bluehost, and personally, Bluehost is my favorite by far. I've used SiteGround, it was great, but I gotta say, Bluehost is better, including support. So, let me get to the point here. I want to show you guys how to install a theme that you have just bought, because personally, and I'm sure probably almost everybody at some point, when you upload it, it's missing stylesheet.css. That's very, very common. And that's a file that you need for the website to look the way it does. So let me show you how how we're going to avoid this. Let's go down. This, I kind of just did this because I wanted to show you guys how to do this. You do not want to click on this because that will take you to the page, which at this point has the default theme. So instead you clicked Manage Page. When you click, there's Overview, all of these up here, and then there's this down here. So this is actually a very simple way. Right here, under Overview, you want to click Manage under your themes. These are the themes that you have currently. This is what your page looks like is using this theme. Oh my God, you scroll down and there's purchased themes. Actually, yesterday, when I was showing Elementor, I was using this theme. So, what we're going to do today, I want to show you how to install a theme simply, easily, and to work. So, what I'm going to do, I guess we'll choose restaurant, okay? I'm going to click on View More. I copy the purchase code, Control C, and just in case. And after here, doesn't matter about all this stuff. You click Install Theme. Where do you want it installed? I'll leave it here. You have a choice. Do you want them to just install it? Or do you want them to install it and activate it? Honestly, it's just easy for us to install and let them activate it. At this point, it takes a few minutes for it to be installed and activated. So I want to go over one thing while this is going on. I've been asked the questions many times now. WordPress, what is it? I hear you talking about it all the time. What is WordPress? Well, I'm going to make this a very simple and quick answer. It is something called, it's a super powerful program, and they're called CMSs. And basically, that's what WordPress is. So I can't get into any more of that right now. So now your theme has been installed and activated. Great. Let's click Customize the Theme in WordPress. And then, of course, this is what happens when you have Bluehost. I have had SiteGround before, and it just wasn't up to par with Bluehost, is what I'd have to say. So look, here is all of our options, right? It didn't ask for a stylesheet.css that's missing. Absolutely nothing. So at this point, this is the customized part. And then there is the front end. I'm going to leave it at this. I just wanted to show you because I've had the problem so many times. Stylesheet.css missing. And it has always gotten me so angry and I never understood it. And that's why I feel like it was best if I were to show you guys. And I hope you learned something. So if you found this video helpful and want to stay updated or whatnot, smash like. If you want to stay updated with the tutorials, just follow. And if you have any questions, please just leave a comment and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you may have. All right, guys, I will see you soon. Bye-bye.